Hello friends, in this lecture we will see this geometry. This is something like silencer, and here we have some views. This is the top view, and here we have the section view AA, which is from here, and section BB, which is from this point, and section CC, which is here. Okay, so first of all I am going to create from this point, and I will start with this circle 38 diameter, and I'm going to revolve this. Later I will create a rest of the circle, and then we will use through curve. So let's start with the annex surface. Select this and click here, and I'm going to create a circle, and this circle is 38 in diameter, and I need one line. Okay, and dimension it, because I'm going to use this line as a axis line, and the distance is 60 radius. So this line will be 60 millimeter away from this origin. Now exit and go to revolve, and I'm going to revolve this about this line and reverse the direction and make sure it must be in surface. Now I'm going to extrude this circle, and the distance is 40, so change it to 40 and change its surface and apply. Okay, hide this one. Now for the next section I am going to offset this plane at 180 millimeter, apply, and from here it is 105, apply, close, and sketch over this face. So after this AA, section B is here. So section B is 65 millimeter diameter. So 65 is a diameter. Finish, and here I am going to create the CC section. 22 is a diameter. So here this 22 and finish. Now 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, and the third one is this gap is not given anywhere. This extrusion value is, so I am using it as a 20. Now we have to match all these three sections, so I'm going to use through curve. Through curves, my first curve is this, add. My second curve is this, reverse the direction and add. And my third is this. Okay, see, it is okay. So this surface and this curve is in tangent, so my first section will be tangent with this. See, now it is okay. And here we have the contact. Okay, if position G0 continuity we have at the last section, let's change it. What will be the result? I'm going to show you. See, this will come if you change this tangency. G1 continuity, now it is G0, and make sure it is in surface. And if you want to preserve, click, otherwise no problem, just leave it. Now hide this section, and I'm going to sew this. So here in surface we have the sew. I want to sew this and this one, and okay, and here I'm going to apply fillet. Okay, now some thickness is there. So thickness is 38 34 2. The thickness is 2, so select this thicken, select it, and the thickness is 2, which is inside, so it is now inside. Click here. Okay, hide this, and studio mode. Okay, and here we have the materials. If you want to apply any material, just drag and drop. Okay, something is missing. Okay, again I'm going to apply over the second one sheet. Wait. Okay, both surface and solid both are visible. That's why it is. If you hide this, see, this is surface, and I want this material over the solid, so I'm going to hide this surface and apply any paint, metal, material, whatever you want. Just drag and drop, it will give you the effect. Okay, and if you want to assign some background, so here we have scene editor. Okay, and just cancel it. Here we have the scene, click over it, see background scene will come. So thank you for watching, and try to make this.